Hey, what's up everyone? This is Crown Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram in Ventura, and today we're taking a look at a pre-owned 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This car comes in a Firecracker red clear coat exterior color and a black cloth interior color. It only has 46,396 miles on it and equipped with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder turbo Etorque engine and paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. This car is a one-owner clean CarFax and equipped with a lot of cool features such as Parkview rear backup camera, 4x4 gears, remote keyless entry, Uconnect with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bluetooth voice command, 7-inch color display, steering wheel audio controls, an 8-speaker sound system, and much more. Call, direct message us, or visit our website for pricing and more details. Again, this is Crown Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram in Ventura, and you just took a look at a pre-owned 2020 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. Thank you so much and have a great day.